In this video, I am going to give you a very small tip to calculate running total in Excel table, and you can use this tip in many different functions such as count if, max if, average if function as well. If I click on C2 cell and simply type equal sum, open parenthesis, and instead of selecting B2, I will simply write B2, hit F4 key, colon, and I will type B2, close parenthesis, hit enter. This will calculate me the running total. But one of the problem in this function is when you insert a new row. So for example, I click here and I insert a new row using tab key. And if I type the new amount here, for example, it will calculate me the wrong result. If I select all of the formula and I will hit delete key and I will simply select C2, type equal, write sum, open parenthesis, and this time I will select the quantity column. So I will simply select B1 and now I will hit colon and select B2 using mouse. Close parenthesis, hit enter, and this will calculate me the accurate running total. Now if I click here and insert a new row and type a new amount here, for example, it will calculate me the accurate running total. We can use the same tip in sum ifs function as well. If I click on C2 cell and simply type sum if, open parenthesis, for the sum range, I will select the range like I show you on sum function. I will simply select SQ header column, simply type colon, and now I will select A2, hit comma. For the criteria, I will also select A2, and for the sum range, I will select the header of quantity column, hit comma, and now I will select B2 cell, close parenthesis, hit enter, and this will accurately calculate me the running total for each of the SQ. So for example, I insert a new row and I will select AB03, type here, let's say 10. So this will calculate me the new running total. I hope you learned something useful from this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. And if you have anything in mind, please ask in comment. Thank you so much.